when finer sediment are at the bottom, above which coarse, then coarser, and so on. In this case, the grain of limestone is finer than the grain of shale, and the grain of shale is finer than the grain of sandstone. So coursing upward sequence. Coursing upward sequence is opposite to fining upward sequence. Coursing upward sequence form during progradation or regression, or during seaward migration of terrestrial species. Coursing upward sequence is found in high stand system track, here limestone, then shale, then sandstone. So coursing upward sequence is obvious in high stand system track. It is also found in shale margin system track, here limestone, then shale, then sandstone. So coursing upward sequence is also obvious in this diagram in shale margin system track. Terminology used in this lecture such as high stand system track, progradation, shelf margin system track were already explained and are present in Jew community channel.